right, take your cell phone out and go to bfcm.shopify.com right now. Watch those Black Friday Cyber Monday sales per minute numbers while you're listening to me, because you're watching, as the president of Shopify, Harley Finkelstein, said to me, the Super Bowl for entrepreneurs. This weekend belongs to them, he said. They showed up. Look at these sales numbers go higher. It's one of the most inspiring things I've ever seen. Shopify, the ultimate e-commerce enabler, offering everything from point of sale to shipping, saw $4.1 billion in sales on the platform for Black Friday alone. That's huge. It's up 22% from last year. We can put that data into the mosaic of consumer strength and perhaps judge if people are spending so much that maybe the Fed should be worried about an overheated economy. We don't have brick and mortar data yet, so we can't tell. And Amazon reportedly spent $100 million to air an NFL game on Friday. I'm sure driving more traffic than usual to their site. Who knows what would have happened if that game had been the Eagles versus the Bills, a nail-biter, rather than the Dolphins steamrolling the Jets. Until we have all the data, including the tallies from today and the brick-and-mortar numbers, we can't get a clear read on consumer spending. We shouldn't even try. But maybe that's the one way to look at it at all. This bean counting doesn't work for me. Maybe we should use what Harley's Shopify says about the state of entrepreneurialism in this country. I want you to take a look at what he told me this morning on Squawk on the Street.
Over 30,000 of our merchants, for them, Black Friday was their best sales day ever on Shopify. And if you look at the globe, there's this really cool little Easter egg, which Jim, you're going to love this because I know you're such a fan of small business. Over 13,000 merchants had their very first sale ever on at the start of Black Friday. So when you see those fireworks on the map, those purple fireworks, that's a brand new entrepreneur getting their very first sale.
Oh, I love that. I just love it. To me, seeing how small, medium-sized businesses are being empowered by the perfect explanation for how we could have such a robust economy, despite the Fed hitting us with the most aggressive rate hike cycle in 40 years. See, it's never been easier to open a small business. You know, Shopify costs only $39 a month to basically give you everything you need for e-commerce. There are so many sites and gizmos and services devoted to making small businesses competitive with large ones. We talked to Wix.com earlier, which can design your website for a pittance using amazing artists. You can use artificial intelligence with Adobe's Firefly to figure out colors that work best. Yes, to convert. You can game social media to figure out what you can get the word out simply by using all your friends to sign up and get the way. It does it. You can design TikTok videos that go viral. And if you can't figure that out, you can hire someone who's great at it for a very low cost per hour. Intuit will take care of the paperwork, connect to your accounting. Again, it's simply not expensive, nor is Twilio, which can help you stay in touch with your clients and send them things that they would actually be interested in. I can go on and on and on about all the new ways it's become easier to run a small business. But the main thing is you're now free to actually create something that someone else will buy. You're unencumbered thanks to technology, and artificial intelligence is just going to make it that much easier to figure out what people want, making your business even more valuable. As Shantanu Narayan, the CEO of Adobe, says, it will augment your ingenuity. This process is what keeps people employed and what gives them extra money to make ends meet. It's what empowers so many aspiring entrepreneurs who might otherwise work at jobs they hate or less not work at all. This is not an underground economy, people. It's an economy that gives you enough tools to change just about everything in commerce. I think that's the reason why business can be so robust in this country, because they now have the tools to triumph over much higher interest rates the Fed's given us. Sometimes I think that these days, with all this technological ammunition, a small business person is only limited by the height of her own imagination. I like to say there's always a bull market somewhere, and I promise to try to find it just for you right here on Mad Money. I'm Jim Cramer. See you tomorrow. Last call starts now.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.